Welcome sa Benkada, Kate. Grabe.
Grabe si Kate, sobrang, for me, lahat naman ng mga napunta sa Team Benkada, mahal namin, mamahalin namin. Pero, iba rin yung si Kate kasi yung combination ng boses niya tsaka yung kanta na kinanta niya, pati yung note choices niya, sobrang fresh tsaka sobrang, ano siya, parang for me, meron siya energy ng bagong generation.
Totoo.
Kaya, sobrang, maliban sa journey nga dito sa The Voice Kids, like, sana magpatuloy si Kate as an artist talaga kasi feeling ko pwede siyang like Moira, pwede siyang parang si Julie, like, ng next generation. Like, imagine mo like 5-10 years from now. So,
Parang yung nagustuhan ko about it, sabi nga ni Coach Pau sa note choices, parang yung song kasi na yun, ano siya actually una, if you were to sing an Adele song, that wouldn't be your first choice, 'di ba? Parang much more so for a singing competition. Kaya yun pa lang parang, wow, iba to ah. And then, yung song na yun mismo, the way she sang it, also wasn't the way it originally was. So, that also you can tell na may making siya of, she wants to do it her own way. Kaya talagang kay Kate, welcome sa'yo sa Team Benkada. We'll do our best to guide you in your journey and see you soon. Thank you, Kate.